Hey Bree, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about three different topics. First topic being content, second topic being backlinks and keywords, third topic being citations. But before I get started, I just want to say a little bit about myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm from Scenic Spark SEO, and I enjoy watching small business owners grow and helping them. So, with that, let's get to it. So, the first thing I want to discuss is content. Now, Google really loves content. Google loves around 1,500 to 2,000 words. So, when you type in electrician, Tacoma, Washington, just for example, Taps Electric shows up on the 14th slot, or excuse me, the 14th position, and Tacoma Electrician shows up on the third position. Now, the reason that they show up here on this spot, I'll say right off the bat, is because their keyword is embedded in their header here, which is Tacoma, which is service area there. So one of the main ones. So, but with content, let's go click back over and let's look at your website. So when we click on your website, I see that you have the major Facebook, LinkedIn stuff up here. You have your clickables up here. I really love what you guys did with the Taps Electric brand up here. It's really nice. I like the layout. But like I said earlier, excuse me, like I had mentioned earlier, um, Google really loves content. So we are going to plug this into Word Counter and kind of see where we are at. Okay, you have 524 words. Now, you could definitely use an upgrade as far as content goes. Now, let's kind of see your competitor and kind of see where they're at. And from the looks of it, you guys are beating them in content. So let's kind of take a look-see here and see what they got. 126 words. Yeah, they really need some help. I'll explain later why they're ranked in the fourth position. So basically, in a nutshell, that's what content is basically your wording and what you put behind them in your website and incorporate it. So with that, that's about all I have for content. A second thing I want to talk about is backlink citations. There is this tool that I purchased. It's called Ahrefs. Now anybody can purchase this tool. You can do it yourself, and all it does is just show the status of your website right now. So what we're looking at here is the UR and DR of your site. You have a rating of 17, which is the strength, and the DR of your trusted, um, your trusted profile here that Google um, set forth for your current power, your current trust. So you have backlinks, referring domains, and organic traffic. Let's look at your competitor. Wow, look, no data. Backlinks are 61 backlinks, 38 organics. Um, and I'll tell you what, one thing, the reason why you're showing up this high is because you're paying for Google Ads. That's bottom line. Now, there's a reason why your competitor is in the fourth slot, and that's probably because they are ranking organically. And what I mean by that is they did everything right as far as saving keywords and whatnot to end up on this top three positions up here. And we could easily do that. We have access. If you look into Ahrefs, um, look at on their organic traffic, they have 38 organic keywords. We have access to all these keywords, same as them, so we can tie all these keywords into yours. I mean, look at the volume of this, and these are not hard to rank, as you can see. So when we tie all these keywords and attach all these backlinks onto them, we could definitely You have 539 backlinks. If we just added their backlinks under the Tacoma electrician, now that's why he's getting a lot of power, just because of his name. So I mean, he's got 61 backlinks on his. You have 539, but really what you want to look for is referring domains as well. So these are the things that are tying to all these backlinks. So I mean, in a nutshell, I mean, we got all the referring domains, the same thing. See, we have all these domains here. And so that's about it. I mean, as far as it goes with links and keywords. Now, the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, what citations really is, basically a digital footprint for your business. So I see you're sponsored up here, Taps Electric. Now, these three are ranked organically, so they're not paying for ads. So on how they did that is they saved everything 100% on their profiles. So what we would have to do to get up here is do everything that Dependable Electric is doing if we want to target Tacoma, Washington for all this considering. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Basically, we covered the three things on what's helping them rank. Now, let me point out one thing. Look at Yelp on the #1 slot. Now they're ranked in the #1 slot because they are nationally ranking here. Now, if we focused on this target area, Tacoma, Washington, we could easily be on top of Yelp, and we only have to worry about Tacoma Electrician, and then you'll be getting all these leads here. So I hope that brings some good value to you. That's about all I have for you today. If you would like someone to look further into this for you, just give me a call, reach out anytime. If not, no harm, no foul. And with that, I hope this information is of good use to you. It's free. Use it anytime. And with that, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.